Okay, so here we are at another house in Holiday, and you see there's a lamp, my meter, and the sofa, and an electrical outlet where a clock and the lamp are plugged in. Now, as I'm here by the sofa, it's 5.6 approximately volts per meter, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here by the electrical socket. Now, see, two things are plugged in, and when I get close to it, instead of like being like the other sockets, the reading's lower, but it's 2.8 as a peak so far what I've seen. Now I'm going to pull out one of the plugs, okay, and here we are. Okay, I'm close to it, 2.4. Now watch what happens when I pull out a plug. 2.6, 2.8, 3.0, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.9. More electricity is flowing out. So you see, radio frequencies are coming out of this open outlet. Now, I'm sorry, I wavered a bit. I'm going to plug it back in to block it. And now you see it's, my guess is it's riding along the wire here. I'm not an expert, but I just know when I get close to this lamp, the reading gets higher. Going right at the lamp. I mean, this lamp does not require radio signals. It requires a 60 hertz alternating signal electrical current to work. It shouldn't be conducting radio frequencies, but it is. So there we go. It just seems to conduct right up the lamp. Various places around the lamp. The lamp, is this wood? Metal. It feels like wood. It's got some metal banding. Alright, so that was it. Once again, I'll just show you. We have two plugs in. We have about 2.25 to so volts. Pull one out, and it about doubles. Okay. Timed out. Alright, turn it off.